good morning everyone. So I'm present ang discussion for today. So my topic is all about early childhood curriculum models. So the first model is the high school curriculum. So what is the high school curriculum? Okay. So high school educational approach emphasizes active participatory learning. So when we say about active participatory, it talks about students have direct hands-on experiences with people, objects, events, and ideas. Then, ang children's interests and choices are the heart of high school programs. So, importante kaayo sa mga bata di ay na sila interest o na sila mga pagpili because this is the heart of high school programs. So, they construct their own knowledge through interactions with the world and the people around them. So, it is really important that the children kanang maka-interact sila sa people or kanang sa world around them. So, importante din tayo ang socialization din niya sa high school programs. Then, children take the first step in the learning process by making choices and following through on their plans and decisions. So, ang mga children di ay kaya na sila kabalingon yung pagpili, then napod sila yung mga plano o decision. So, kita, as an adult or as a teacher someday, kinahanglan di ay nga kanang ilet lang ato sila nga mo decide, then kanang naarata para bugay nila. Kaya through anak is kanang makabalo sila unsay mas nindot na decision. Then teachers, caregivers, and parents offer physical, emotional, and intellectual support. So kita din ang mga caregivers, teacher, or as a teacher parents, ang atong ma-offer sa ilaha isang physical, emotional, and intellectual support. So naagilay ka nga mo support sa mga bata. Then, in active learning setting, adult expand children's thinking with diverse materials and different interactions through scaffolding. Then adults help children gain knowledge and develop creative problem solving. So kita din nga adult kay kanang adult ang i-apply ang scaffolding believed by Gutsky, which is kanang atay ka na i-present daan or magnanatay demonstrate. Then after, mo step back ta din sila nasa. So we are here just to support them or to guide the children. So, ang high school curriculum kay kanang iyang term bitaw kay scaffolding nga gi-describe ni Jerome Bruner at ni psychologist Levi Vygotsky. So, kay sila Vygotsky kay di ba nag-reference siya sa zone of proximal development. So, atong zone proximal development kay kuan siya kanang pasagdali o kanang pagsagdali mo ang bata maghimo siya sa iyang phone, then after kung sa iyang mabuhat, then ikaw sa teacher is kanang imo siyang i-guide. So ingana kibali ang zone of proximal development. So unsay mabuhat sa bata nga wala ka or unsay mabuhat sa bata nga naa ka. So mao to siya. Then ang high school teachers carefully observe children so they know when they have entered this zone. So dapat kita rin yung mga teacher pohon, kapalota or obserbahan din nato ang bata aron dili lang dahil ka magpataka-taka o ganang enter sa bali na slate play tapos di ka nang gusto dahil nila kasilara. So kita di ay ang mga adults mag-extend tag support sa children's learning, then atong i-validate ang ilahang kanang i-validate na to ilahang feelings, then when the time is right, so kung ano dayon, kanang pwede rin tamo interact with them or pwede tamo kanang mosulod sa ilaha. So next is how does the high school approach differ from early childhood programs? So dinhi ang one kanang how does high school approach differ from other childhood programs? One is the daily plan do review sequence. So dinhi ay ang mga bata is kabalo sila mo plan, kabalo sila mo review, then kanang through anak ang kanang ma-measure nato ang developmental progress ang mga bata. Other matakal niya ang plan, do review. Second, kay unique feature is our curriculum content, the social, intellectual, and physical building blocks are essential to young children's optimal growth. So naay kanang 8 national standards. First is the approaches to learning. Second, social emotional development. language, literacy and communication, mathematics, creative arts, science and technology, and social studies. So, sa high school approach, daganday siya o mga national learning standards. So, tanan ba domain or tanan development sa bata is kanang maano din siya, makater siya sa high school approach or high school curriculum. Next, what are high school goals for young children? So, unsa daw ang goal sa high school para sa mga bata? So, dinhi natay 4 ka goal sa young children. First is to learn through active involvement with people, materials, and ideas. So, ang goal di ay sa high school para sa mga bata is kanang ang mga bata maka-learn sila through active involvement with people, materials, and ideas. So, dili lang day enough na dili mo i-involve ang mga bata sa mga tao, sa ubang yung mga things. Kung dili mo sila i-involve, kaya mao na ang goal sa high school approach. Then, to become independent, responsible, and confident, ready to school and ready for life. So, ang isa pa ka-goal kay mahimo silang independent, then mahimo silang responsible, mahimo silang confident, which is aron ma-ready sila sa school o sa life. Then, third one is to become independent, responsible, confident, to learn to plan many of their own activities, carry them out, and talk with others about what they have done and what they have learned. So, dili lang din na makimo silang confident or na independent, kundi maka-learn po sila, maka-plan many of their own activities. Makabalon sila, mag-plan sila activities, then makatalk sila sa uban kung sa ilang nabuhat, nahuman, o kung sa ilang na-learn. Then last is to gain knowledge and skills in important academic, social, and physical areas. So the goal of high school for children is maka-gain sila of knowledge, skills, important academic, social, and physical areas. So kanina yung high school approach, high school curriculum, sa po siya kitabangan sa mga children throughout life, kay from early childhood, kay matabangan na sila on how to decide and to be independent, how to be confident. So, next kay, high school provides children with carefully planned experiences in reading, mathematics, and science. So, matulad sila sa pagbasa, sa mathematics, pati sa science. So, social development is another important learning area in high school programs. So, ang social development PIA, kasi po siya very crucial na development sa high school kay studies kung din wala din mo siya, the children in high school classroom show high levels of initiative. So, kung konti ka social or kabalo ang bata mo socialize, is taas sila of initiative. Teachers further support social development by helping children learn how to resolve interpersonal conflicts. So, through socialization, ang children makabalo sila to solve mga conflicts. Next is, what is the evidence to the high school approach? So, the evidence na kani high school approach guide. So, high school, more than 40 years of research shows that high school program advance the development of children and improve their chance of living a better life to adulthood. National research with children and adults has shown that those who attend high school programs grow higher the numbers of development and similar children enrolled in childcare programs. So, makita naman natin na may ating research niya in more than 40 years kasi high school programs, makita ang mga bata ang enroll sa high school programs kaya mas advanced sila or mas better, ay na sila ng chance of living a better life to adulthood. Kaya andam naman sila sa ilang pagkakata. Then, what do teachers do in high school program? So, para sa inyo, sa man ang kanang as a teacher, asa may pagbuhat sa teacher sa high school program? Like, sa unang video nyo? Yes, Miss Leia. What do teachers do in high school program? Nagsaon sa amin mo sa may mga
High school?
uh,
High school? High
high
school?
school.
More on, ano siya? Student-centered? Student-centered na like, more on activities. Tama?
So dali mga teachers kay atong apply and give and take. So kung bitaw like di lang imuhatan na di lang mo sa student lang kung dili ka mo na bitaw mga benefits like for example, you know how to validate or kanang sa mga feelings sila sa mga bata like dili lang ikaw ang masunod kay teacher ka but dapat ka balo sa dili ka masunod sa feeling sa bata kaya bata na siya mag-feeling, diba? So, there is dapat ato i-respect ang children na ang pagpapagpili at silang encourage initiative, independence, and creativity. So, adults are trained in child development. They provide materials and study experiences that children need to do. So, kita, mag-provide na ng mga plan and experiences para mag-provide na to ang better development. Ang children need to grow and learn. So, ito ang teachers do. Next, what does a high school program teaching look like? Sa daw ang high school program, let's read that. Andrea, first is welcoming to children. So, dapat ang imong high school program or imong setting kay welcoming to children. Then, provide enough materials for all children. So, kung sino tinulog yung mga materials sa children, mo siya provide. Then, allows children to find, use, or return materials independently. So, pagsagdan din yung mga bata mo nga, kabalo sila mo balik sa mga things nga ilahan yung pagkakas. Kaya they are all, although kids pa sila, but na sila yung thinking, nga kabalo na sila mo, mo balik sa mga bata. Then, encourages different types of play and learning. So, sa imong setting, kay play, kay pagtudlo sila ang maka-learn. Then allows the children to see and easily move through all the areas of the classroom or center. Then is flexible so children can extend their play by bringing materials from one area to another. So imuhang more classroom setting ay niya kay po sa spacious. Kaya para kung magdala ang mga bata, they can madala nila lang madalaan from one place to another. That provides materials that reflect the diversity of children's family lives. So, amo yan to ang high school programs in look like. Then, question, ano pang tanaw na? So, let's proceed to what happens each day in a high school classroom. Taga-adlaw, sila makitabo sa high school na classroom. First, a high school classroom is follow predictable sequence of events, known as a daily routine. So, bantay lang sa mga taga-classrooms, kaya namay mga daily routine. Diba, sa Latinas sa mga bata. Then, just provide structures within which children can make choices. Monitor interest and develop their abilities in each content area. So, while each high school program decides on the routine that works best for its setting, schedule and regulation the following segment areas included during the program day. So, through daily routine, makabalo na sila kung silang mga permina imuon. Then, kung daily routine kay maka-develop silang interest, silang ability o sa mga content area. So, naara ang first kay plan do review time. Ano ang first nga kanang himuon sa high school classroom. Plan do review time. Kaniday siya kay this three-part sequence is unique to the high school approach. It includes 10 to 15 minutes of time during which children plan what they want to do during work time. Then, sunod, balik. Sila na ibahala kung silang mga kanal. Then, 45 to 60 minutes work time routine after plans and another. 10 to 15 minutes small group time for reviewing and recalling. So, kani siya ang plan na sila plano, mag-review. So, lahat na yung mabuhat kung silang gusto na buhaton. So, naala siya sa classroom sa high school. Then, small group. So, we are all familiar about the small group naman. So, kanila during this time, the small group of ideally 6 to 8 children meets with an adult to experiment with materials and solve problems. So, ang adult, siya na magpili sa small group. So, kinalitrate siya sa mga bata di ay kay para kuhaan sa man. Kanang matabangan ang mga bata or makita ang kanang attention span dito sa mga bata. So, plan, ang first kay plan to review time, second small group time, then large group time. So, kung small group time kay na ay 6 to 8 children, kani kay na ay up to 20 children and 2 adults come together for movement and music activities. So, di ba like, hindi lang di ay sa physical or sa mga unsang development but appeal ang music activities, appeal na sa high school. Like, makater niya kanan ang mga development sa mga bata. Pwede ka, usa-usa, pwede ka magpasayaw or sa kanta-kanta, pwede sa ka ng outside. The word speaker about 11 to the outside time, pwede ka lang spend 30 minutes outside every day. Pwede ka sa gawas, sila 30 minutes, sila ang time. So, nagdepende na siya sa teacher kung sa iyang buhatan ng large group time. Then, ang concession times, kabalo naman mga, di ba, nga before mo jump into another subject or into another activity, kailangan siya ang concession times. So, kabalo naman mga. Next is eating and resting time. So, sa mga bata, importante pili ang pagkakaon ang pagpahulay sa mga bata. Kaya kabalungan ka kung saray kanang makaya sa lawas sa mga bata. So, meals and snacks allow children to enjoy eating healthy food in supportive social setting. Rest is quite solitary activities. Since both activities happen at home, as much as possible, our main goal is to create a shared and secure sustainability with the program. It is really important to have eating and resting time. Next is, how does high school help children learn how to resolve conflicts? Dili matabangan na to ang children na kanang makabalo sila kung saan pag-solve or resolve some conflicts. First, kay approach calmly, stopping any hurtful actions or language. So, a calm manner reassures children that things are under control and can be worked out to ever satisfaction. So, gikinahanglan di ay nga i-approach na to sila calmly, then stopping any hurtful actions or language. So, ato nang masulti yung tanat sa ilang nga, nga ang pamagi, then acknowledge feelings. Makabalit ang acknowledge sa ilang feelings. Kaya, children need to express their feelings before they can let go of them and think of as possible solutions to them. Then, gather information, restate the problem, ask for ideas for solution adjustment, and give follow-up support as needed. So, all of this, kay familiar naman sa inyo kung saan siya mag-handle sa mga bata, labi na kung nasa sa classroom. Kapit na dyan, gawin na lang. So, next guy, constructive solution. Diba, natuluan naman sila kung saan pag-resolve sa conflicts. Then, nalapod ko lang, ay same na sa inyo nga ka na i-resolve na niyo ang conflict. So, in early childhood programs, children have conflicts over space, materials, and friendships. So, dapat naging sila conflict sa kanila, kaya mga laway, mga bata, so, as teachers, you know how to handle them, diba? Dapat learning how to find solutions that work for everyone is important and learning experience for young children. So, kabalo ka, nung hatag og solution nga, mag-work siya sa kanila. Next, ay, curriculum strategies that set the stage for problem solving. So, first, provide a consistent, predictable routine. So, matang day na nga, sa classroom setting, kaya na anagit kay predictable routine. Second, encourage children's language development. First, be warm and positive in conversation. So, ikaw as a teacher, kaya hindi dapat ka kalang bitaw ka, singka-singka sa mga bata sa tinga na dapat kayo warm ka, approachable ka mga thoughts sa iya. Then, describe and imitate children's action. So, tingin mo or sulugunin mo sa mga actions sa mga bata. Then, read books about feelings. So, it is really important today yung paglagahan ko ng mga pagbati. Pwede galing, usahan natin sila books about sa feelings. Then, play in partnership with children. So, dili lang kay pobre ta tudlok kung sa ilang mabatan, dapat kita mismo kabulata on how to nag-play sa mga bata. Then, get down on children's level and engage play on their terms. Encourage learning about feelings during play and help children resolve problems that arise during play. So, diha-diha, kabalong tayo na kung sa solution or masulti rin mga bata kung sa ipamato niya to resolve that kind of problem. Next, 6 steps in resolving conflict. So, nabalik lang din siya. Kaya na kay kita man to, kung saan ito pagtulong mga bata. Dahil kaya mga bata, kaya sila na yung base mga apply sila mga galingon. Approach calmly, acknowledge children's feeling. Diba, nabalik na ito sa kanina. Gather information. Kapit ha. And then, ask for ideas and solution. Last na yun, sa family. How can families use science scope at home? So, dito na sa school, pati mga parents, kaya matulungan siya kung saan ang high school at home. So, families at home can also do many of the activities that high school teachers offer in the program. For example, parents can provide provide many different learning materials of using a learning object that cost little or nothing. So, mga parents, kung wala naman yung mga parents kung saan mag-handle ng mga bata, so, ang high school, kahit tanang